Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. I'm Sumit and this video is going to be on Apple's online web store that Apple recently launched in India. Now in this video I'll be showing you all the products that Apple has to offer in this Indian web store, and also I'll be buying an Apple Watch SE from this store. So I'll also show my shopping experience to you guys right here. Alright, first let us see what all Apple has to offer on their store. So they have Macs, iPads, iPhones, watch, TVs, all their catalog is here with us. Now if I click on Mac, there are multiple MacBooks, iMacs and their Mac Pros. Now we can when we buy iMac or Mac Pros, we can also customize them, and you'll be shocked to hear that what is the price of their Mac Pros with their high-end models or with their ultimate configurations. So this Mac Pro, if I max them to all their specifications, it will cost me above 50 lakhs. Yes, you heard me right. It will cost me above 50 lakhs if I max up all the things, like if I configure it and if I max up all these things, CPU, memory, it will cost me above 50 lakhs. That is just too much. I don't know if Apple is joking right here or what, but 50 lakhs is a huge amount, right guys? Okay, so apart from that, they are also selling iPads and watches here, for which I am mainly here. So I want to purchase a Apple Watch SE from this website, which I'll be doing right now. And also if you are a student and you want to grab the student discounts from Apple, you can also opt for that. For example, like if I click on iPads and if I see click on view pricing, and when I drag down a bit, you'll see iPad for educations. So you can click on here, shop with Apple, what was it, Apple education prices, right? So it will open a tab and you'll have to get started with your university accounts. So you can just log into your accounts and grab some discounts. So mainly on iPads the discounts will be around 3 to 4,000 rupees, and if you are opting to buy a MacBook, then you'll get discounts around 15 to 20,000 according to your MacBook models, right? So now let's do what we're here for. I'll be purchasing a watch, particularly Apple Watch SE. Now these are the colors that they are offering with their Apple Watch SE, and it is starting from 29,900, which is their 40 GPS model, right? So I'll just click here to buy it. Now I'll opt for a space gray model with a sports band. Just click on it and I'll choose the 40 and the color is black. Connectivity, I'll choose GPS. So if you are opting for cellular, then you can activate the eSIM using these carriers, which is Airtel, Jio, and I think this is Vodafone Idea. I'm not sure about this one. Alright, so the strap size regular. Alright, I don't want the Apple Care. I'll just add it to my bag. Alright, so I put the Apple Watch in my bag. I'll just review my bag or my cart. Now this is details of my cart and all the items I have added in my cart. Now I have added a Apple Watch SE, which is a 40 size version, and I'll just click on checkout right here. Now it will be asking me for my Apple ID or account. I'll just sign in with it so that it can retrieve my mailing address and my account details and also my card details, right? So I'll just continue to shipping address. Now this right here is my address to which this item will ship to, and all my contact information, my email address and my phone number. I'll just confirm and continue to payment. Now this is my saved card, and also they are offering some cashback offers with HDFC cards, as written right here. So I'll choose my HDFC card right here and enter the CVV, and let's see if I'm getting any discount. Alright, I am getting a 1700 or let's say 1800 rupees of cash back on my card. That's just great. And I'll opt for no cost EMI, which is 6 installments I'll have to pay. This will amount to 5000 rupees per month. I'm okay with that, so I'll just choose this and scroll through. This is my address, my billing address or mailing address, and I'll just click on review order. Now this is where I just review my order to check if everything is correct that I entered. Now the delivery date is 3 October to 6 October, and my delivery address, my amount of the watch, and the amount that I have to pay after deducting the no cost EMI savings. Now everything seems correct. I'll just place my order right here. Okay, I'll just enter my OTP that I just received on my phone. After entering the OTP, I'll just click on submit, and it is processing my payment. Alright, so here we can see that my payment was successful and my order was placed successfully, and I'll be receiving confirmation and updates on my email address right here. This is my order ID right here, and these are the details that of the delivery date and the product that I ordered. So guys, this was my experience of buying a product from Apple India website. So this is all for the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please do write them in the comment box. Thank you.